So, where have I been? The truth is, I have been uploading on this channel consistently for quite some time now. So I've been basically MIA, missing in action. And the truth is, my interest has kind of shifted over the past couple of months, I would say. I used to play a lot of gaming, and obviously the channel started off first with me gaming. And then it kind of moved on to me like doing a lot more gaming tech. And over the past couple of years, it's moved on to me doing more of like technology. It doesn't mean that I don't use tech or don't like doing tech. It means that my interest has just shifted a little bit more than the last couple of years. My focus has been on my faith and my walk with Christ Jesus. It's been the center of who I am for the past couple of months, and I've just been growing closer and closer to Him. Moreover, I've been spending a little bit more time learning more about filmmaking, colors and color grading, and that has just taken up a lot of my time for the last couple of days. And most of the videos I've been uploading has been on my second channel, Jason King Studio, where I talk about the daily word every single day. But while doing that, I'm also practicing my filmmaking skills and learning about lighting, and really using that as an opportunity to spread the gospel, but also to enhance my lighting, my videography skills as well. My controller business, most of you know I have a controller business on the side. I've been selling custom controls, and I've been using some of that money to help me buy tech to review on this channel. So I have maybe about 10 more controls left. The control business is basically being shut down soon, and I have a few controls left. I'm putting all of them on sale. So if you're interested in getting a brand new controller for a really good price, like I'm selling it for literally like 50% of what is value. So if you want to take a link, I got a link in the description below, so you can take a look at that as well. For all the day one people who have started watching my channel because of gaming, because of gaming tech, thank you so much for hanging around. I know the focus of the channel has changed a little bit over the years. For most of you who joined because of tech, because of iPhones, thank you for sticking around. And if you feel like this is not the right content for you as well, I'm just happy to have you here, happy that you click on this video. And I look forward to just providing a lot more value to the YouTube community. And my next couple of videos are going to be amazing. I know for sure, because they're going to help a lot of you become better filmmakers and make a more informed decision about the products that you want to use when it comes to filmmaking or just your life in general. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye for now. I guess I'll see you soon. Peace.